Hi, Bruce here from Bruce Fixes Stuff. And if you ever, well, that one worked good. Of course it did now, I'm trying to film it, but there we go. If you ever fought with one of these things or get tired of them running out of juice, you could try what we did. We ordered these plasma igniters. You turn them on here, and then you press this little button and look in here, and you'll see a little arc. And that little arc is supposed to ignite things. And then if it gets low, you just plug this in and plug that into the USB and it recharges it. Now, will it work? Let's see. Turn it on. And it lights it. Will it light a piece of paper? Yes, it will. That's pretty cool. That's pretty cool. I like it. It's called a plasma igniter. This particular one is it Ulomo UZ1 or UZ1, whichever you prefer, Type C arc plasma igniter. And it's pretty cool. I won't be going back to this style anymore. I love this little toy. One other thing about these is I don't think, yeah, the wind won't blow it out. Let's try it with this one, if we can get it to ignite. Oh, of course. Yeah. No comparison.